Reusable Nappy Week. Quite a novel idea. I think lots of people will have raised eyebrows, maybe some sceptical eyebrows. I would have been the same actually. And I want to commend the work of my colleague and Meath County Council, Councillor Deirdre Geraghty-Smith, for her campaign on this issue.
We're all looking for ways to cut our single-use plastic waste at the moment, and as it's Reusable Nappy Week this week from April 19th, it's a great opportunity to discuss the alternatives to disposable nappies. Each day in Ireland it's estimated that over 600,000 disposable nappies will end up in landfill or go for incineration. Each baby can use between 3,000 and 5,000 disposable nappies from birth to potty training, and that equates to approximately 2.5 tonnes of plastic waste per individual child. Each of these individual nappies then takes between 200 and 500 years in landfill to biodegrade. So as you can see, that's a huge amount of single-use plastic waste. Modern cloth nappies are a green, practical, convenient alternative for parents and households who might be looking to cut their single-use plastic waste and make greener, more sustainable decisions.
So we know that other countries have already moved ahead on this, and local authorities right across the UK are setting up cloth nappy libraries where parents can actually hire cloth nappy kits, and they're running awareness campaigns so that young mums and dads are aware that this is an option and a greener option as well.